This video is a guide to help you install a new or replacement pull-out kit in a base cabinet. Remove the plastic wrap and contents from the packaging. Loosen nuts and extend door mount arms on the top and bottom of the unit. For additional support, we attach plywood bracing to the bottom of the base cabinet using hot melt. Remove slide hardware from the box. Place the slide hardware in the bottom inside of the cabinet. Align the hardware evenly on each side with approximately 1 1/8 inch of clearance on each side. Place the front of the slide hardware approximately 3/8 of an inch from the front of the face frame. Use a 1-inch flathead wood screw to attach the slides to the floor of the base cabinet. Pre-drill holes 2 1/8 inches from the top of the cabinet opening and then attach the included door stops using 1-inch flathead screws. Place the door face down on a flat surface and then place the pull-out unit on the door 2 1/8 inches from the top of the door for traditional overlay and 2 3/4 inches from the top of the International Plus overlay. Align the pull-out unit 1 inch from each side of the door for traditional overlay and 1 3/4 inches from each side of the door for International Plus overlay. Pre-drill holes and then attach the pull-out unit to the door using 5/8 inch flathead screws. Apply door bumpers. Slide the pull-out unit into the cabinet, allowing it to be guided by the slides. Press towards the back to allow the clips under the unit to attach to the slide. Adjust the vertical position of the door by turning the screw on the inside of the pull-out unit clockwise to tighten the hold on the door and pull it towards the unit. Both top and bottom positions may be adjusted. Raise the catch plate on the back of the unit by lifting it up and then tightening the screws. This will stop the unit from pulling out of the cabinet. Thank you for watching this Showplace how-to video.